Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can do this like 3D strobe edit on CapCut. So for this you'll need a picture. Make sure it's like a full body or like half body. You don't want it too close or else it won't really work. Select the clip, go to style, and you can either choose the 3D zoom photo like Pro or just the 3D zoom, but I'm just going to choose the Zoom Pro one. Wait, let's see what it looks like without the Pro one. Just select which one like works for you the best, because okay, the other one works better. So after that, you're going to go back, go to effects, video effects. Then you are going to go to party, scroll down until you find the strobe effect and select it and just apply it. You can change the speed if you want to by selecting the effects, adjusting the speed here. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!